So guys, as you can see, here is a SoRoo neck hanging wireless earphone in my hand. So in today's video, we are going to unbox with this neckband, and we'll also show you how it's working, how to use it, and everything good to bad in this neckband. So my name is Rushil Kumar, and you guys are watching my YouTube channel Rushil Kumar. But before we get started, let me assure you one important and main thing. This video is not any kind of sponsored or a brand promotion of any product. I have purchased this neckband myself from a shop near my house. So let's get started, and please watch the video till the end.
First of all, friends, we should pay attention to its beautiful and unique way of packaging. This box is also open like a book, as you can see here. Here is a small velcro in every corner of the box. Inside it, we can close and open it very easily. Right side is having a transparent polythene surface. We can see the neckband, and left side have some general specification written: battery backup, wireless 5.0, used for sport, in ear design, and below all of this, it is compatible with laptop, tablet, and phones. So everything important we read all of these. The packaging is very unique and beautiful. Now let's see the back side of this box. Here, design in India is written, barcode and color of neckband is given, some features and specification is also written here. And friend, here on the top we have a small hook of plastic attached here, so we can hold it, open it, and also close it. It is really difficult to open it from one hand. This is very tight. Now let's remove this interior case. Here it's our first look. We can see this is the first look of SoRoo neck hanging wireless earphone. It's beautiful. We can see the wire of this neckband is very small in length, and it could also fall while having exercise like rope jumping, skipping, and weightlifting. So sports is not good. So here something is written in a shiny: SoRoo the future technology GL24. This is written very beautifully and highlighting. It is the left side of this neckband. So left side is having a small microphone for speaking, and let's see the right side. So friends, right side having the two volume keys and one power button. So friends, one neckband is good in looking, black color, light in weight, and also cheap in cost. Now let's see one important and main thing, the charging point, a type C or a micro USB. Now let's open it and see. So friends, here is a micro USB with charging port for power supply. It's also good. Now close it, and we check the other things too. If you guys are also YouTuber or a video creators like me, this neckband is also very good and the cheapest for you too. From today onward, I will record all my facecam videos from this neckband. With this neckband, you guys can also enjoy your favorite your movies and songs. It can deliver a great quality of 16D and 8D songs too. Earpiece of this neckband is very shiny and having a bright surface, but they are not having a rubber of good quality. They are the magnetic but not good as it look. So we find the two shortcoming in this neckband. The first one is the length of the wire in this neckband is very short, and the second one is rubber quality of the neckband is very bad, and it is also very rough to touch. And now I'm going to record the final part of this video from this neckband, so you can listen its sound quality.
So friends, the voice that you guys are listening now is I'm just recording from this neckband only. This neckband is connected with my mobile device. You guys can check its mic testing and you guys can listen how it sound. So friends, I have told you every good and bad thing about this neckband. If you like this neckband, please like my video, and if you want to buy it, I will give the link in the description box below. Thanks for supporting me and watching my full video.